Is it time to buy or sell General Mills stock? In this video, we are diving deep into General Mills. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 25, 2025, our system has ranked General Mills as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.07. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep a close watch on this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential decline of approximately 10.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -15.89% to -8.92%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of -31.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -34.61% and -25.91% over the upcoming year. In monetary terms, this would translate to a future price estimated between $32.26 and $36.55. Our latest daily update for General Mills includes the headline, General Mills Incorporated stock downgraded from hold, accumulate to sell candidate after Monday trading session. The stock price of General Mills Incorporated decreased by 1.69% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. It fell from $50.18 to $49.33. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.5%, with a low of $49.15 and a high of $50.38. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, totaling a decline of 0.04% for this period. Trading volume rose on the last day by 273,000 shares, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This might serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 4 million shares were exchanged for approximately $204,350,000. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $75.90, while the lowest was $48.62. Currently, the stock price stands at 35.01%, or $26.57, below the 52-week high, and 45.73%, or $41.56, below the all-time high recorded on the 15th of May, 2023, when the price peaked at $90.89. General Mills is capturing new interest as an income-focused investment. Analysts and dividend evaluations are labeling the stock as undervalued, placing it among high-yield, low-risk, and sustainable dividend opportunities. Recent headlines from the company emphasize marketing momentum surrounding back-to-school promotions and an upcoming discussion at the Barclays Global Consumer Staples Conference on September 2nd. During this event, the Chief Financial Officer and the President of North America will share insights on results and strategic direction. Financial data from recent analyses reveal a long-term debt-to-equity ratio close to 1.4 and an interest coverage ratio exceeding 6, highlighting a manageable yet significant level of leverage. In the short term, anticipate market fluctuations as investors respond to the conference discussions and ongoing buy-the-dip strategies. Inclusion on dividend purchase lists, along with concerns about a notable decrease in share value, may attract income investors and trigger rallies. Conversely, bearish perspectives could lead to increased selling pressure. Over the long term, General Mills' extensive scale, diverse brand portfolio, and consistent dividend approach support gradual and steady growth in income returns. However, industry challenges, margin pressures, and high leverage could constrain potential growth and elevate risks, particularly if demand weakens or costs rise again. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned GIS an outperform rating along with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned GIS an underweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned GIS a neutral rating with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned GIS a sell rating with an initialize action. On Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned GIS an underweight rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to General Mills stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for General Mills. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025. Since then, the stock has risen by approximately 0.797%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term development. General Mills Incorporated stock currently reflects sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Furthermore, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected around the levels of $49.70 and $50.03. A breakout above either of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. Yesterday, trading volume increased despite falling prices, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 41 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 117 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 199 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for General Mills. General Mills Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $49.21. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Overall, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.23 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.5%. Throughout the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.85%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for General Mills, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 81 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for General Mills. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for General Mills is at $50.68. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, General Mills faces its first support level at $49.21. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for General Mills from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Jacqueline Williams Roll, who bought and sold 7,311 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider sentiment is positive, with a ratio of 114.184. In total, insiders acquired 1,038,890 shares and disposed of 110,657 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is General Mills stock a good buy? General Mills Incorporated shows multiple negative signals and is currently in a downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses reflected in the technical analysis, we have revised our valuation from a hold to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of August, we expect General Mills to open higher by 290 cents, starting at $49.62. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.